Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the select button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about, I would say, 10 seconds. Once the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds and then you can release the button and wait. You should see the Amazfit logo on the screen and now we can wait until the watch is done rebooting. And as you can see, we're back in the system and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.